The Pyre Flame Mini is a pocket-sized camping stove about the size of an apple. It burns natural fuel, twigs, and offers 3 modes: boiling, grilling, and turbo. It's waterproof, has a cool touch chassis, and converts heat into electricity to charge devices. Price from $130. The Raiken EV3 is an all-in-one multifunctional shovel designed for military personnel, rescuers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It features 15 tools in one: a carbon steel blade, a side edge for chopping wood or metal, an adjustable pivot, and hidden components including a knife, whistle, and fire starter. Priced from $200.
Jackfish is a compact and multifunctional wallet-style tool for carrying bank cards, which unfolds to reveal a folding knife, a set of 3 screwdrivers, an iodine water purifier bottle, a whistle, a telescopic pen, a fire starter, a compass, and a micro SD card slot. Perfect for both urban EDC and outdoor survival. Price from $100. The Component 72-Hour Survival Backpack is a compact kit for 2 people with supplies to last up to 72 hours in emergencies. It includes over 40 items: a hand crank generator, protective mask, multi-tool, fire starter, rope, knife, first aid supplies, water purification, rain gear, tent, heat packs, and food. It's organized, water and fire resistant, and priced at $400. The VSSL Survival Kit is a flashlight-sized survival gear pack containing over 70 essentials: mini first aid kit, compass, knife, water purification tablets, matches, fire starter, wire saw, fishing hooks, rope, signal mirror, and more. The waterproof casing is resistant to dirt and cold. Price from $1,030 to $180. The Light Water Purifier is a compact, portable water treatment device for outdoor use. Just immerse one tube in a water source and the other in a bottle. It produces about 1 liter of drinkable water in just over a minute, removing nearly all bacteria. It runs for long periods on a single charge. Price from $100. Amos 5 is a compact and highly portable survival kit for camping. It includes a water purifier, compass, sharp blades, fire starter, mini flashlight, fishing hooks, and a charging module for gadgets, all in a small, efficient package. Price from $35.